Hello! In this short video we're going to be mixing a tropical color palette together using acrylic paints. We're going to be using just the primary colors as well as titanium white and Mars black. And the inspiration for this color palette comes from my painting Vortex that you see over here. Let's start by setting up our workspace. What we're going to need is a palette for mixing our paint, and I'm using this sheet of glass. Then we're going to need a paintbrush, a palette knife for mixing the paint, some water, then watercolor paper as the base where we're going to be applying our colors. This is 300 GSM watercolor paper. Then the actual paints, and we're going to be using Liquitex Basics acrylic series. So we have primary red, primary yellow and primary blue, and then we'll also have the Mars black and titanium white. And finally we'll need some paper towels for cleaning up. Let's start creating our color palette. We're going to start by painting the colors on the top part of our paper, and then we'll tint them down towards the bottom, and that way we'll also create a nice value chart for our color palette. We'll be measuring the ratios of the paints roughly by eye, but we could also use, for example, a kitchen scale if you want it to be really exact. And let's start with the blue colors, and for the first one we're going to take 4 parts of primary blue. Then we'll take just a little red. And then we'll take very little black. And as black is so strong, I'm gonna put that on the side and then take the black incrementally as we need it. Then we'll first mix the red with the blue. Then we'll take just a tiny speck of black. Then I have my slightly moist paintbrush, and we'll take our new blue color here on top. And then I'll take some white on our palette and we'll tint down the color towards the bottom. I quickly wiped my palette clean, which is easy to do when you're using a sheet of glass as your palette. Then we'd rinse the paintbrush in water and wipe the excess paint with paper towel, or we could use, for example, a wet wipe to quickly clean it, and then we can mix our next color. And then for our second blue, we're gonna take 3 parts primary blue, a little less this time because we had some excess paint with the first color, so we don't want to waste any paint unnecessarily. Then we'll do 1 part primary yellow, and we'll do 2 parts titanium white. We'll mix this. I think our portion of yellow was a bit too much, so we can adjust this by adding some more blue. So let's do 1 fairly big part blue. So it turned out to be 4 parts blue and 1 part yellow. Then we'll again wipe the excess paint from our brush and then quickly rinse it with water, and it's good to go. Then we'll do some greens, and we'll start with 2 parts primary yellow, 1 part primary blue, just a hint of red, and again very little black. Then we'll tint it down. Then for the next green, we'll do 4 parts primary yellow, 2 parts primary blue, 3 parts primary red, and just a hint of black. And then for our last brownish color, we'll do 3 parts primary red, 2 parts yellow, 1 part blue, and again very little black. Then we'll mix. Let's adjust it by adding just a hint of black more. And here's our tropical color palette all finished. And once the paint's dry, it's a good idea to write down the exact color recipes on the back, so when you attach your new color chart with your notes, you can then easily refer back to what the exact measurements and paints we used were. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to mix a tropical color palette. As always, feel free to ask if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and happy creating.